Hi, everybody. Thanks for coming in. We're so excited to be here. You're going to have people from Unity and Vimeo who support creators, and you're going to have a couple of the most celebrated New Frontiers VR directors on stage with us.
What we say is we envision a world where every story can be beautifully told, and what Unity and the BattleScar team are doing, it's about creating those exceptional stories.
And Vimeo has had their eye on you for a long time. I mean,
yes, Daft Pig, baby.
Artists.
Yeah.
I have to congratulate them on having an eye for talent.
BattleScar is a coming of age that follows a year in the life of Lupe, played by Rosario Dawson, living in the punk rock scene of New York City in the late 70s.
We had a really interesting year. 2016, these films were created, and Unity was used for the virtual production design. You have every department at your fingertips, and everyone, all the other departments, see everything in real time. There's no post. Look at this. If I don't like the way the light is falling, let's just move the light. And then you just continue.
It's more creative in a way that wait for a render or like solve techie stuff. Just get your hands into the graphics and just try to bring a connection with the people that are seeing them. But it's amazing. This is really what it's coming, like not render.
And the truth is, 2 weeks ago, we were working on scenes that we thought this is not working. And we worked them from the ground up in the matter of hours.
It's become improvisational.
Right.
You're on a set.
Yes.
It's live, instant feedback.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like, just because you can make decisions anywhere doesn't mean you should, but at least there's no technical reason why you can't.
Right.
And that's the revolution.
I started a new team at Vimeo called the Creator Labs, where I'm exploring this intersection of video and VR, AR. I want to make it easy to record in-progress work and share it with your creative team. With 2 clicks, I can record in Unity, publish, and have it automatically pasted like a review link in your Slack channel to get creative feedback from your team. But yeah, those are the things we're thinking about, and that's why we're excited to be here with like Unity and Nico and Martin on exploring these methods.